to the library lockers at the Gellert Community Centre. This unique locker system provides on-the-go service. Patrons can browse and borrow, pick up holds, and return library items. Let us show you how it works. To browse and borrow a book, touch the Borrow icon. Scan your HHPL card and type in your PIN. Select the title of the book you would like to read. Tap Borrow. When the locker door opens, take your item and then close the door. If you would like a receipt, select Print a Receipt. Otherwise, simply press Done. To pick up a hold, touch the Pick Up Hold icon. Scan your HHPL card and type in your PIN. When the door opens, take your items and close the door. Select Print a Receipt or simply press Done. To return an item, touch the Return icon. Scan your HHPL card and type in your PIN. The return door will unlock. Push the door open and drop your items into the bin. Select Done on the touchscreen. For items that don't fit in the return bin, please drop them off to the attendant at the Gellert Community Centre service desk to your right. Thank you for using the Halton Hills Public Library lockers. For additional information, please visit www.hhpl.ca/librarylockers or speak with a staff member at the library.